Since December 2019, the outbreak of coronavirus disease has caused a substantial public health crisis globally. In a time of restricted movement, patient care is posing a number of challenges. This has caused disconnection of doctor-patient consultation, which is in turn constantly increasing the disease burden. Young consultant doctors need to acclimatize themselves with modern consultation operatives. As a rapid response, there is an urgent need to divert patients from inpatient care to care with social distancing. Through the early adaptation of technological services, young doctors can immediately fill this gap in patient care services. Hence, the solution lies in immediate conversion to technology-based consultation, that is, telemedicine. Clinic Connect is a huge step forward towards bridging the gap between healthcare service providers and patients. It's a reliable one-stop shop for all your medical needs, with integrated online accessible clinic, lab, diagnostic center, and pharmacy all in one. It provides the patient's detailed medical records, prescriptions, and lab tests with secure online access to both doctors and patients. With built-in voice notes, the doctors can enter audio prescriptions and medical notes for their patients. An automated and customizable online billing feature with multiple payment options. Stripe has been implemented in the system. Patients registered will enter credit card details to pay before booking a consultation. The schedule of the consultants will be visible to the patients on the portal. The patient can book any desired time slot. Once the appointment is booked, healthcare provider can start the meeting remotely through a high-quality video consultation. Consult your doctor from home on a video call with telemedicine feature. Telemedicine is a relatively new concept, and in the world of internet, it develops with the speed of light. Telemedicine allows healthcare professionals to evaluate, diagnose, and treat patients at a distance using telecommunication technology. The approach has been through a striking evolution in the last decade, and it is becoming an increasingly important part of healthcare infrastructure. The healthcare providers can record patients' EMR through this electronic communication, and the patient receives medical advice anytime, anywhere without leaving the comfort of their home. The system also features e-commerce medicine sales with home delivery and home lab test pickup services. 24/7 customer support service provides help and support whenever you need. State-of-the-art iOS and Android mobile applications facilitating both consultants and patients. Through the doctor's app, they can save their notes and medical records, both written and in audio form, view and configure their appointment schedules, enter prescription and lab test orders, and view all test results and previous medical records of the patients. In the patient's portal, a patient can book, cancel, and view appointments, view his medical records, prescriptions, and lab test results without having to collect reports physically. The proposed system with its online access will generate revenue and expand the client base for the operator. With an excellent value, quality, and service, Clinic Connect has an enormous nationwide demand. It's a fully integrated system with doctors' prescriptions and prescribed lab tests automatically routed to the pharmacy and lab, and the test results automatically routed to the doctor. Data analytics for targeted customer discounts and promotions ensure customer loyalty and retention. The system is completely secure with SSL certificates, two-factor authentication, strong password policy, and encrypted database. Clinic Connect is digitalizing healthcare, striving to give you a happier and healthier future that you deserve.